Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how can you get Shopify free for 3 months for just $1. So all you have to do is follow these quick and easy steps and don't skip out any part of the video. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify account, and as you can see on the top there is an option called select a plan, and as you can see here are various plans available to you. You have a basic one, a Shopify, and an advanced one. You can see it featured down here below. It has 2 staff members, 1,000 location, and basic reports. It goes up and up as you increase the package. So today I'm going to show you how can you get this one for $1 for free. But for some individual it says $1 for first 1 month here instead of 3 months. So if you are having this issue, you need to click the link down in the description and it'll basically bring you to this page. And from here you can easily just start a free trial and then log in to your main account and then can easily come here and select a plan and can get 3 months. But if you already have a trial account and the trial is over, it might say here for first 1 month only. So to get here, just click on the link on the description below and just come here and click on start free trial. Come here and just click on choose basic. You can go for monthly or yearly, and as you can see, it says $1 billed every 30 days, $25 billed every 30 days. And now what you have to do is confirm billing cycle, fill out all the details, and then click on payment method, and you can both pay by credit card and your PayPal account. So that will basically it, and you can get Shopify free for 3 months just for a single dollar. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you next time.